Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 60i and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all we have to open the recent. If you've got the 3-button navigation, simply tap on the button with the square icon, and if you've got the gesture, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here, so something like that. And here we've got the recent. Now all you have to do is to tap on this trash bin icon and your device will automatically close all of those apps. Sometimes it happens that it will leave one app opened, but that's okay. All you have to do is to swipe it up just like that to close it manually. However, if you wish to be sure that you've closed a specific app from the background, then you have to do it manually. So for example, the Chrome, tap on it and hold it and tap on Info. Then simply tap on Force Stop and confirm it by tapping on OK, and now you are sure that that it is not running in the background. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.